SoFi has been one of the hottest stocks this year. It doubled in value and it just hit all-time highs. Investors are asking, should we buy now around $30? Is it going to $100? Not euro. But I think they're asking the wrong question. The real question is, do you understand the hidden risks of this company? I don't want to waste your time, so in the next 5 minutes we are talking everything about SoFi, valuation, bear and bull cases, risks, so you can decide for yourself if it's a good investment or not. Like always, not financial advice, just entertainment. First, we need to talk fundamentals. Data from the last 12 months show revenue is 4.16 billion, up 25% last year. Members are almost 12 million, up 34% last year. What's the earning potential of a company like this? It's huge! With this crazy growth and margins that could reach 25%, 5 years from now, SoFi could earn over $2 billion every year. To be precise, 2.25 billion in 2030. Let's compare it with today's market cap of 35 billions. It is a price to earnings of just 15, very reasonable. But here is the problem. We are talking about hypothetical, future perfect earnings 5 years from now. For this bargain to make sense, SoFi needs perfect execution, perfect growth, margin expansion, no setbacks. It's a bet on perfection. That's why the decision should be made thinking about risks. Is it risky to invest in SoFi? Banking is an incredible complex business and I'm not expert on this sector, but here is my opinion. I believe investors are forgetting one simple fact. SoFi business model is a bet on strong economy. They lend money and the whole system works very well as long as people have jobs and can pay it back. But the US economy is clearly slowing down.
Now we see that there's downside risk clearly in the labor market because the unemployment rate has ticked up.
How concerned are you about the slowdown in the jobs market for households at home, especially younger Americans struggling to land a job?
People who are sort of more at the margins, so kids coming out of college and younger people, minorities are having a hard time finding jobs. The overall job finding rate is very low. The concern is that if you start to see layoffs, the people who are laid off there won't be a lot of hiring going on, so that could very quickly flow into higher unemployment.
The risk that some people can't pay back their students or personal loans is real. If defaults arise, SoFi will lose part of the money they lend out. An investor might panic sell and send the stock crashing. This is the main risk, but it's not the only one. There are at least 3 more I can see. One, SoFi competitive advantage, the moat, doesn't look so strong to me. I mean, they're very good at what they do, but what they offer could be copied. 2, the fintech space is full of competition of every kind. From Robinhood to Wise to Revolut to traditional giant banks. Very competitive. 3, we assume that the growth will continue and that the margin will expand, and I hope they will for SoFi investors, but we need to consider the possibility, the risk that they want, right? So, all of this, and we are not even talking about negative black swan events, like a sudden change in regulation, a cyber attack to their system, or any other unpredictable negative issue. To sum it up, it's a great company. If you bought during 2024 or early this year, you are probably sitting on massive gains. Congratulations, great pick, you deserve it. But if like me, you didn't, I believe now it's too late. The current $30 price, it's not a bargain for the significant economic and competitive risks you're taking on. For the stock to go to $100, everything has to go right. For it to drop back to 15, 20, only a few things has to go wrong. SoFi investors focus on growth, which is incredible, but for me, the risk-reward balance is not attractive at the current price. I lost the train, I'm not buying, and honestly, I prefer other investments. My portfolio just passed 200k, and if you want to see all my holdings and my current strategy, just watch this video. Please help me out, comment cool SoFi video, Adri. Let me know which stock is worth my next 5 minutes analysis. Thank you for watching. Peace out.